How to connect to Shareit Hotspot. Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you the ways to connect to a Shareit Hotspot. So in that case, you have to follow the steps. First of all, make sure that your device is completely up to date. Now then, to begin with, go ahead and open up the Shareit app on your device that is hosting the hotspot. When you open it up, then you can see this option as hotspot option in the Shareit apps menu. Then you can just follow the on-screen instruction to enable the hotspot, and Shareit will generate a Wi-Fi network for other devices to connect it. Now on the device you want to connect to a Shareit hotspot, open the Wi-Fi settings. Then you can look for the Shareit hotspot network in a list of available Wi-Fi network. It will typically have a name similar to the Shareit. Then you can tap on the Shareit hotspot network to connect. Once connected, return on the device hosting the hotspot. In the Shareit app, you should see the connected devices list under the hotspot section, and you can now start sharing files between the connected device using the Shareit. Step may vary depending on the device's operating system and the version of Shareit that you're using. So that's how you can connect to a Shareit hotspot. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.